Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing almond flour cookie recipe. No wheat flour, no maida, no refined sugar. A super healthy, gluten-free and dairy-free chocolate chip cookie recipe which can be enjoyed by the whole family. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a bowl, I'm adding in 1/4 cup wood-pressed coconut oil. Instead of wood-pressed coconut oil, you can also use grass-fed melted butter. Half cup khandsari sugar. Instead of khandsari sugar, you can use coconut sugar, jaggery or even palm jaggery. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instead of vanilla extract, you can also use almond extract. Add in 1 egg, 1/4 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt and give this all a good mix. Add in 2 cups almond flour, half teaspoon baking soda. Lightly mix the baking soda into the almond flour and then mix everything really well. At this moment, I'm preheating my oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Half cup chocolate chips. Try to use good quality chocolate chips. I will leave buying links of the chocolate chips I'm using in the description box below. And incorporate the chocolate chips into the dough. I have lined my baking tray with the parchment paper, and with an ice cream scoop I'm just scooping out the cookie dough and placing it on the parchment paper. Make sure you leave some gap between the cookies. I like to flatten the cookies a little just before baking. Now I'm making slightly larger cookies. If you prefer, you can make smaller cookies. Some extra chocolate chips on top. And I'm going to bake in my preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 12 to 15 minutes or until the cookies are done. Remember that oven temperature varies with ovens, so please keep an eye on it after about 10 minutes. You can see that the color has changed on the sides and it has become a little crisp on the sides, but on the center it is still a little soft. So I'm going to allow it to cool down on the pan itself for another 10 minutes. So guys, do try this healthy almond flour chocolate chip cookies and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.